Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute. Today we are not going to take any topic from the syllabus, but as per the notifications given by the Maharashtra State Board regarding there will be a reduction in the syllabus for 11th and 12th standard students. I am talking from the 11th and 12th standard point of view. The syllabus has been decreased by 25%. Each subject wise, all the detailed information has been given by the Maharashtra State Board, and this is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. There are some topics, थोड़े चैप्टर्स है, थोड़े टॉपिक्स है चैप्टर्स के जहां पर आपको सेल्फ स्टडी के तौर पर दिया गया है। तो आज हम इसी के ऊपर बात करेंगे और मैंने स्क्रीन पर आपको दिखाया है कि कौन से टॉपिक्स है, कौन से चैप्टर्स के अंदर जो सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए दिए गए हैं, और थोड़े से इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स भी हम जानते हैं इवन दो दे आर फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सर्टेन पॉइंट्स। ये सब कुछ हम इस वीडियो में देखते हैं। वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखिए क्योंकि देयर आर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स ऑल्सो विच आई वांट टू टेल यू। बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स है जो आपको कंसिडर करने हैं कि सेल्फ स्टडी मतलब क्या है, इवेल्युएशन होगा नहीं होगा, कौन से टॉपिक्स आपको सेल्फ स्टडी करने की जरूरत भी है, ऐसे इग्नोर भी नहीं कर सकते। तो थोड़े से पॉइंट्स पर हम बात करेंगे, ठीक है। तो पहला सब्जेक्ट जो हम बात करेंगे दैट इज सेक्रेटेरियल प्रैक्टिस विच यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन। Now under secretarial practice students, chapter you can see here serial number, topic है और पेज नंबर भी दिया है, पॉइंट नंबर भी स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया है कौन सा टॉपिक है जो सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए है। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात मैं आपको बता दूं, जो भी टॉपिक सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए है वो एग्जाम में इवेल्युएट नहीं होंगे, उन पर कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आपको नहीं आएगा। तो मैं आपके लिए पहले बता दूं, द फर्स्ट चैप्टर में जो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन टू कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस में, उसमें जो पॉइंट है 1.4 का दैट इज कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी, ठीक है। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, हम बताएंगे आपको। देन चैप्टर 2 में सोर्सेज ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस में पॉइंट 2.1.2 में जो डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स है that is also for self study. Then I'll just read it out for you, then I will cover all the points to be discussed. Then third chapter I'm going to say sources of corporate finance में chapter 2 में financial institution self study के लिए है। then again sources of corporate finance में 2.2.7 में trade credit, then issue of shares। चैप्टर 3 में आपका क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल, इट इज फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी। देन इशू ऑफ शेयर्स अगेन चैप्टर 3, प्रोसीजर फॉर अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी। इशू ऑफ शेयर्स अगेन चैप्टर 3, देयर आर सो मेनी पॉइंट टॉपिक्स अंडर चैप्टर 3 स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि प्रोसीजर फॉर अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स, कॉल्स ऑन शेयर्स, फॉरफीचर ऑन शेयर्स, सरेंडर ऑफ शेयर्स। ये सारे टॉपिक्स जो है ये सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए ही है, ठीक है। देन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स चैप्टर में आपका जो टॉपिक है डिबेंचर ट्रस्टी, दैट इज फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी। देन चैप्टर 5 डिपॉजिट्स में प्रोसीजर फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट्स फ्रॉम पब्लिक इज फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी। देन चैप्टर 5 अगेन प्रोसीजर फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग डिपॉजिट्स फ्रॉम मेंबर्स, सेल्फ स्टडी। चैप्टर 9 जो है डिपॉजिटरी सिस्टम, फंक्शनिंग ऑफ डिपॉजिटरी सिस्टम इज फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी। देन चैप्टर 10 डिविडेंड एंड इंटरेस्ट, modes of payment of dividend is there for self study. You all can just study it for your informative part of it, information के लिए आप पढ़ सकते हो। then chapter 11 में financial market में some important participants in money market is for self study. again chapter 11 में instrument of money market, and last chapter that is stock exchange में important terms related to stock exchange and distinction between jobber and broker, it is for self study, ठीक है। now पहले में सारे और दो सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में मैं आपको बता दूं कि कौन से सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए है, उसके बाद मैं आपसे बात करूंगी रिगार्डिंग द इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स, ठीक है। बट वन थिंग यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस चेंजेस व्हाटएवर हैज बीन मेड, जो सेल्फ स्टडी के टॉपिक्स दिए इस पर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं पूछा जाएगा इन दिस ईयर, दैट इज 2020-21, ड्यू टू दी COVID-19 पैंडेमिक. ठीक है, दिस इज इन मराठी अगेन. नाउ कमिंग टू बुक कीपिंग एंड अकाउंटेंसी, स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन सी, अब ये जो एक्टिविटी बॉक्स है, चैप्टर के नाम दिए गए हैं. आई विल जस्ट रीड आउट. Okay, whatever has been given in the activity box, they are not there in for your evaluation. ठीक है, see here, I'll just read out for you. This is bookkeeping and accountancy for 12th commerce. The chapter 1, that is introducing partnership and partnership final accounts. उसमें जो 164 पेज नंबर पे activity box, that is for self study. Then account for non-profit concern, 124 activity box, and so on. Students, you can see on the screen, admission of partner में जो 167 पेज में activity box है वो आपके self study के लिए ही है. That is an extra work, you can see in the remark. So all this, death of a partner, dissolution, bills of exchange, issue of shares, analysis of financial statement, computer in accounting, all this पेज नंबर जो दिए गए हैं उसमें जो activity box है या कंप्यूटर इन अकाउंटिंग में जो प्रैक्टिकल एक्टिविटी है और एक्टिविटी बॉक्स है, वॉट एवर पेज नंबर्स आर गिवन, दे आर ऑल फॉर सेल्फ स्टडी. ठीक है, उस पर कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा इन द एग्जाम. देन रिटायरमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर जो 168 to 182 है, सेल्फ स्टडी. बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज, पेज नंबर दिए गए हैं चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू जस्ट सी द पेज नंबर 251 to 300 in case of bills of exchange. Analysis of financial statement 344 to 374. Computer in accounting 381 to 386. All these topics are for self study, and the questions will go like this. These types of questions may be asked, but they will not ask which have given for self study. Okay, they may ask you one problem on admission or retirement, dissolution or bills of exchange, issue of shares or computer in accounting. So this is just a brief outline of how they are going to give you the questions. ठीक है. Then question number 5, death of the partner, analysis of financial statement. And फिर से उन्होंने यही highlight किया है that this will be applicable only for this year, okay, 2020-21, and they are self study is also important because it is good for your personal knowledge for other upcoming whatever course you want to go in detail, but it is better that but yes, evaluation will not be done. ठीक है, this is in Marathi again. Then comes your cooperation. Those students have taken cooperation, for them also it is this, as per lesson number 1, organization of cooperative society. Under that, point number C, B, C, whatever are the points, and then page number 8 to 9, 10 to 11. What are the content? I'll just tell you. Responsibilities of managing committees for self-study, again, lesson number 1. Then powers of chairman, responsibility, organization of cooperative society. Under that, responsibilities of chairman is for self-study. Organization of cooperative society, functions of secretary, and qualities of an ideal secretary. Correspondence of secretary of a cooperative society, that is lesson number 2. I guess it's for self-study. Under this, correspondence with members is for self-study. Then correspondence again in this lesson number 2, your transfer of shares for self-study. Correspondence of secretary of a cooperative. Under that, reminder letter of law for loan defaulter is for self-study. Then goes on, correspondence of secretary of cooperative society. Under that, dividend distribution letter, notice of special general body meeting. Then correspondence with managing committee. Lesson number 2 में बहुत सारे notice an agenda of meeting of managing committee, letter to request of a director about change the date of meeting of managing committee. So all these topics, whatever is given for self-study, they are just for your personal information. Then it goes on, all this, all the things which come under this column, that is details of content for self-study. So I'll just read out the content only. Chapter name is given on the left hand side, you can see. Under lesson number 3, commission and registrar of cooperative society. Under that, role of commissioner and registrar, responsibilities of commissioner and registrar, this is for self study. Then under fourth lesson you have Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960, features of share capital is for self study. Advantages of share capital, type of reserve fund, advantages of reserve fund, under chapter 4, lesson number 4, advantages of reserve fund, distinguish between motion and resolution. Okay, then you have motion and resolution, shares and debentures, internal and external sources, agenda minutes, these are for self study. Chapter 5 में accounts and audit of a cooperative society, books of accounts, financial statements of cooperative society, distinguish between profit loss and balance sheet, these are for self study. Again, chapter number 8 में problems of state cooperative bank, remedies on problems of state cooperative bank, for self study. Chapter number 9 में organizational structure of cooperative education and training is for self study. Then chapter number 9 again, Vaikunt Mehta National Institute of Cooperative Management for self study. Again 9 chapters में Padma Shri Vittal Rao Vivek V.K. Patil Institute of Cooperative Training, Dhananjay Rao Gadgil Institute of Cooperative Management. Then chapter 10 may remedies on challenges before cooperative sector. All these topics are for self study. No evaluation will be done, no questions will be asked on these topics for the academic year 2020-21. And then let us little bit, this is again in Marathi, same information. Then okay, organization of commerce में देखते हैं in the chapter number 1 principles of management में आपका जो सब यूनिट है significance of management principle, under this that sorry, I think from significance of management principle, so they have given up to and from, ठीक है, आपको from as we have discussed से लेकर up to it builds confidence, so you have to check that particular sub unit to get this information, ठीक है. तो उसमें आप as we have discussed से लेकर it builds confidence in the minds of management तक जो भी है वो नहीं है, that is for self study. Then techniques of scientific management में that is also that is for self study. Then chapter 3 में entrepreneurship development में 6 qualities of successful entrepreneur is for self study. Then chapter 4 में transport from in India, transport plays up to dash for petroleum and natural gases for self study. Then communication also for self study, in that social responsibilities of business organization. In 6th chapter business ethics from concept up to efficient and dynamic is for additional information. Then need, 7th chapter consumer protection, need and importance of consumer protection from generally safeguarding the rights up to for the benefit of the people, self study for better understanding के लिए है. Then responsibilities of consumers for additional information. 8th chapter marketing में types of market from market, that is for additional information up to commodity or service for better understanding. So students, this is it. This are the few, I think max 4 subjects I have taken the reductions which the Maharashtra State Board has done for this year 2020-21. Now there are few things which I wanted to discuss with you. Number 1, yes students, the syllabus has been reduced by 25% because I think of this pandemic which is going on, so most of the topics may not be covered, but yes, I want you people to study it for your personal information, but it is not there for evaluation, so you can little bit relax and study properly. That is one thing, but I feel that you should really read it, but whenever, for exam point of view, whatever topics are there, you can read and study, but which are not there, for your personal understanding and interest, I think you should understand it. For, self-study is also important, because upcoming exams, whatever will come, you will get a little bit understanding about this topics, which will be there in future again. And if you will read those points, then it will help you in future for, enrolling yourself for any examinations. So I have brought in front of you this new notification by the Maharashtra State Board. Just see and understand the things. more notifications, whatever will come to you, we will definitely try to bring in this channel, children. If you have anything to say, any important thing you want to know, you can put it in the comment section. We will make a video on that particular topic. Oh, in the next video we will try to bring some other subjects. Till then, thank you so much, students. You can go through this changes which has been made by the Maharashtra State Board. Till then, thank you so much.